Welcome, my Wiggers. Welcome back to another video. It is the preview of what was it again? Yeah, Reading versus Chelsea. Yeah, like I said, this is my preview. Said that twice now, but yeah. So essentially, in the last game, for those I didn't watch, we beat Barcelona 2-1, which I feel as though we were dominating the first half. Well, they were slightly coming back, and yes, you're gonna say, but they didn't have Messi and they didn't have Suarez. I don't give two craps, right? We can only play what's in front of us, and we won. So essentially, last game, we won 2-1. First goal came from Tabby Abraham. Deep, that was good pressing from Jorginho. He won the ball back, and Tabby Abraham slotted it into the back of the net. Then second goal came from Ross Barkley as he hammered it into the back of the net. I think it was with his weak foot or his right foot. God knows, but he scored, and that's what matters. We were 2-0 up, and then Rakitic scored a bang in the top corner. So we won 2-1 there. And for this Reading game, I feel as though we should win it, but I feel as though it might be a draw or something like that. It should be an easy win. For this one, I'm thinking we will score some goals in the first half and we'll be solid and dominate the first half. Then second half we'll just slack off a bit because the second team, let's be real, it's not as good as the first team. The second team in the second half, it's like they have so many opportunities, opposition in the second half, that they might as well just play their best team in the second half essentially, because we've got Bakayoko in the middle, and he still can't tackle for crap. He still gives the ball away. Our defense is not really compact or like as tight as I thought it would be in the second half. First half, it's brilliant, but second half, that's where I think Frank needs to work on. The team needs to work on themselves and like improve themselves in the second half. So like the second team essentially need to improve themselves because they keep giving the ball away. We don't make as many chances as we did in the first half, so it's a bit dry. In the first half, we're making so many chances. Mason Mount's playing brilliant, making so many runs down the wing. Mason Mount, he's passing the ball left to right. Tabby Abraham's making run in the middle. I think he plays better. Frank Lampard needs to play 4-4-2. He needs to play a diamond in the midfield because we get so many chances. Remember when we played against St. Patrick's? Or I think that's their name. We had so many chances, and we should have won about. We should have been 6-0 up. We should have been 6-0 up. We had so many chances. It was freaking ridiculous. So for this game, Reading, my thoughts on them. It's in the championship, and they're still dog wank. So essentially, we should smoke these bastards, and that's just as simple as that. We should freaking destroy them. There's no freaking way they should even get a draw from this. I don't give a crap if Chelsea play their fucking E team. Reading should not freaking beat us or even get a draw against us. So essentially, this should be an easy win. But I might be freaking wrong because it's Chelsea at the end of the day, and I don't know how the second team can favour. Frank is the man, and he'll find a way. He'll boss it. Hopefully, he plays 4-4-2. I don't know what formation he's going to play. He switches up to 4-4-2, then 4-5-1, then 4-3. I don't know. If I was him, I would play 4-4-2. The 4-5-1 did technically work against Barcelona because seeing Kovacic in that defensive mid role is quite weird. I've never really seen him there. Jorginho, I'm used to seeing him there, so it's a bit mad because I don't really see them as like tacklers like N'Golo Kante. I don't really see them as that, and it's just a bit mad, really, when you play 4-4-2, when you play 4-5-1 like that. But if it makes it more defensive, then fair enough. I guess if I was running up, I'll play that formation in the second half. I guess that's what I would do. I don't know about playing it in the first half. I think first half I play 4-4-2 and then switch back to 4-5-1. I think that'd just be the better option. So yeah, that's my preview, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment down below your thoughts on what you think the formation should be. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in a bit, and peace.